This hardware wallet maker protects more than 20% of all cryptocurrency in the world. Launched in 2014, it was never hacked. Of course, I'm talking about Ledger. A few weeks ago, the company revealed its latest hit, the Ledger Nano Gen5. And in today's video, I'll set it up and show you how to receive, send and swap coins using this new Ledger signer. I'll also show you how to participate in the reward program by swapping SWI. And yeah, you might be wondering why I'm wearing Spurs merch. For those who haven't heard, Ledger became the official jersey patch sponsor of the San Antonio Spurs and a multi-year global partnership. And I was lucky enough to get a very special box from the Spurs. So yeah, I had to rep the Spurs today. Couldn't waste the moment.
San Antonio has arrived. We've been here for 50 years. We're proud of it.
I got a bunch of cool gifts from the Spurs and Ledger, but of course the main thing in this box is the Ledger Nano Gen5. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's set it up. Launched in 2014, Ledger set a very high standard for security. It doesn't just manufacture secure signers, it also educates new generations about security.
Why we're here is to educate around crypto, educate around security.
And speaking of security, the Nano Gen5 uses the ST33K1M5 chip with EAL6 Plus certification, one of the highest common criteria evaluation assurance levels on the market. It has a 2.8-inch monochrome e-ink touchscreen and supports thousands of coins, tokens and NFTs. Ledger Nano features clear signing, which lets you review and confirm all transaction details directly on the device screen in human-readable language before they are signed and sent. The Nano Gen5 is priced at $179, making it one of the most affordable and secure options out there. And if you're interested in getting one of these signers, use my affiliate link in the description. With my link, you'll get the best deals available right now on any Ledger product. And Ledger is currently running holiday deals. You can save up to 50% on select products and get up to $90 in BTC. These Christmas promotions are live until December 21st. Before setting up my new Ledger Nano Gen5, I'm going to decorate it with a badge designed by Kare. I'll take the basketball badge, since today's episode is special. Alright, let's set it up. Turn on your Ledger signer using the button on the side. Then tap the screen to continue. Read all the educational tips and keep tapping. Now choose whether you want to set up your Ledger Nano with a Ledger Wallet app for mobile or desktop. Since I'm using my MacBook, I'll select the desktop option. Next, go to ledger.com/start to install the Ledger Wallet app. The Ledger Wallet app works with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and it also supports iOS and Android for mobile. Download the version that matches your device and open it. Since I've used the Ledger Wallet app before, it asked me to enter my password. If you're using a Mac and you see a pop-up asking to allow accessory to connect, just hit allow. Next is the Ledger Genuine Check. In your Ledger Wallet app, tap the Check Ledger Nano Gen5 button. Then tap Allow on your Ledger signer. Once your Ledger device passes the authenticity check, the app will ask you to update your Ledger Nano Gen5 OS. Read the details and click Install Update in the Ledger Wallet app. After the update downloads, tap Install on your Nano Gen5 screen. Once the Gen5 OS is installed, tap Finish in your Ledger app. It'll check your OS version again. Tap Allow on your Ledger device. After Ledger Wallet confirms that your OS is up to date, tap Continue to set up. Next is an optional step, where you can give your Ledger Nano signer a unique name. I'll name mine CryptoSnake. Now tap your Ledger Nano Gen5 to start the setup. Next step, set your PIN code. Tap the screen, then tap Choose My PIN. enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN, then re-enter it to confirm. When your PIN is set, tap the screen to continue. Next, choose the Setup option. I'll set it up as a new ledger. Tap your signer screen, then hit Set up a new ledger device. Ledger Nano will now generate a new 24-word secret recovery phrase. Tap the device screen to continue. Read all the information about your seed phrase and keep tapping. For your security, never take a photo of your seed phrase and never type it into any mobile or desktop device. Tap I understand. Now get ready to write down your seed phrase. Take your recovery sheet, it's included in the box, and make sure you're in a secure place. Tap your Nano screen to continue. This process takes about 10 minutes. Write down your secret words one by one in the correct order. Keep tapping the next button. After writing down all 24 words, tap Start Checking and confirm the words one by one, selecting the right option. When you're done, you'll see secret phrase confirmed on your device screen. Tap to continue. Keep your seed phrase in a safe place that only you can access. Your seed phrase is the way to recover your funds if your Nano signer is lost or damaged. Ledger also wants to make sure you fully understand how critical it is, so they will ask you to confirm that only scammers ask for your seed phrase. Tap I understand. Then tap your Nano screen. The next step is creating a backup of your secret recovery phrase. With a backup, you can access your assets even without your 24-word seed phrase. This step is optional. Ledger currently offers two ways for backup: Ledger Recovery Key, a PIN-protected smart card, and Ledger Recover, a subscription service. Since I already have a Ledger Recovery Key, I'll tap I have a recovery key. Remove the sleeve and hold the recovery key to the back of your Ledger Nano device. Then tap Start Setup. You'll now set up a PIN for your Ledger Recovery Key. Tap the screen, read all the info about how the PIN works, and hit I understand. Choose your PIN and re-enter it to confirm. Next, create your backup. Tap the device screen, then hold the recovery key to the back of your Ledger Nano signer. Congrats! Your secret recovery phrase is now backed up. Tap your device screen and read the final tips. You can also rename your recovery key. I'll do that later. Tap to finish the setup. Next step, install applications. Ledger Wallet works by installing apps for everything, including each coin you want to use. To continue with the default apps, click Install Now in the Ledger Wallet app. Ledger will install Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana by default. Congrats, you're ready to use your Ledger Nano Gen5. Now let's receive some crypto. To receive crypto for the first time, go to Accounts, choose the asset you want to receive. I'll choose Solana. Then open the app on your Nano device. Ledger Wallet will create a new account. Click Confirm in the app. When the account is added to your portfolio, tap Add Funds to my account. You'll see two options, Receive and Buy. I'll tap Receive, but if you want to buy crypto directly inside the Ledger Wallet app, you can. Ledger recently announced its partnership with Noah, so you can make direct transfers from your bank account. So tap Receive, then tap Continue and copy the address. Next, verify the address on your Ledger signer. If the address on your Nano matches the address in your Ledger Wallet app, you can share it with the sender. Now let me show you how to swap coins in the Ledger Wallet app. I'll swap USDC for SUI. Some people pronounce it SUI or SUI token. Right now, if you swap SUI inside the Ledger Wallet, you can join the Play to Win reward program. If you see the same message I do, you can participate for a chance to win a share of a $400,000 prize pool. All you need to do is hit the register button and swap at least 30 SUI tokens. You can participate until December 6th. Please read all the details about this reward program carefully. I'll leave the link in the description. This is the kind of campaign Ledger plans to run again in the future. So swap with Ledger and keep an eye on upcoming updates. Now let's swap. I'll send USDC on the Solana network to get some sweet tokens. As the provider, I'll choose CIC. After choosing your pair, tap the swap button. On your signer, open the exchange app. Next, review your swap transaction details on your Ledger signer. Swipe to review the details. If all looks good, hold the sign button to sign the transaction. Congrats, your swap is done. Now let me show you how to send crypto with your Ledger Nano signer. In Accounts, choose the coin you want to send. I'll send Solana. Tap the Send button. Paste the recipient's address and tap Continue. You can also add a tag. That part is optional. Choose the amount and hit Continue. Review the transaction details and click Continue again. Next, open your Coins app on your Ledger Nano Gen5. On your signer screen, review the details, and if everything looks good, hold the Sign button to sign the transaction. Congrats, you successfully sent your crypto. And that's it for today, thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful. As always, leave your comments down below and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Persevere and say what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.